Welcome to this fabulous, amazing, true mid-century stunner with 2 bedrooms and 2 baths, featuring a pool and a gorgeous gourmet kitchen. I can't wait for you to see this home, located just north of 20th Street in Camelback. During the remodel, which was fully extensive, the kitchen was opened up. We added a gorgeous professional series range with 4 burners, lots of cabinet space, butcher block on the countertop, and a custom-made marble-topped steel-framed high bar. Both bathrooms feature cabinets by Draftwood Designs in mahogany with muraled brass pulls. This Arizona home is complete with a gorgeous oval pool, covered patio, and delicious orange citrus tree.